Control centrifuging. At first, we have to take one mixture. I take the mixture of muddy water and put it in this hole like this. And I have three. This is modern centrifuging machine. This work by remote. We have to click this red button to give signal. This is our sensor. If you like this video, you can subscribe and like, share our channel and comment also. Okay. Here we go. You can see it's after water and soil. See. This is external part and this door is internal part of the centrifuging machine. There are the many wires and we use 3.7 volt rechargeable lithium battery and there is the connection of the two wires that connects with this motor, and it is made of 15 cm scale. If you like, thank you.